Hi, sweet friends, and welcome back. It is so good to see you all again. I hope that you have enjoyed my decorating series, Welcome Home to Christmas, and I do hope that you've all had an opportunity to check out my Christmas home tour for 2021. Now, in today's video, I am going to be continuing some Christmas decorating. And who am I kidding? I'll probably be decorating all the way until Christmas Eve because I love Christmas so much. Now, in this video, I am going to be taking you all along with me as I decorate my hutch for Christmas. So, without further ado, let's get started. These are all the items that I have gathered to use in decorating my hutch today. And these mugs are new, you guys. I purchased them from the Dollar Tree of all places. And they said there was going to be a shortage. And I seem to be finding a lot of cute things at the last minute. Now this sign here was purchased from Target, I think last year. These are some of the plates and the other accessories that I'm going to be using. And we're going to start right here at the very top of this hutch. So I'm starting off with my Merry Christmas sign, some candlesticks and candles. I'm also going to be using greenery by using this garland and some of these green picks. These picks came from New River Pottery. Aren't they fluffy and beautiful? So here I decided to remove the candles and add my green garden balls. And then I went back and added some green garland to the very top of each candlestick. As you can see, I just took my candles and nestled them down into the greenery. So now I'm going to add some visual interest to this garland by adding the red holly berries, and I'm also going to use some white ornaments to give it more visual interest. I'm also on a step ladder decorating this hutch, so that's why I'm bending down so much, you guys. Next, I am going to add these black and white houses to each corner at the top of the hutch. So now we're going to start decorating the first shelf. Next, I am going to add this white and black buffalo check charger, and I am going to layer this charger just like I would on a table scape. And as you can see, I felt this was too crowded, so I ended up only using 2 chargers. I also have another video that I published during the Thanksgiving holiday season where I tell you where I purchased this hutch and give you a before and after makeover. So if you're interested, I will leave that video in the iCards. Go over, check it out, and give it a big thumbs up. So this is my progress so far with this first shelf. I'm just giving you a close view, and we're going to continue to add some more items onto this shelf. Next, I am going to be adding 3 miniature white houses on this shelf. I'm just trying to figure out the best positioning for each house. So now this first shelf is complete. Let's move on to the next shelf. So now I am just positioning my foundational pieces. Then I'm going to come back and add some decor. As mentioned before, this is a fairly new item in our home because I purchased this hutch, I want to say back in October or early November, and this is my second time actually decorating it, and it has been so much fun. Also, I want to welcome all our new family members that have decided to join the Felicia by the Seasons family. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy your time here. And of course, I can't forget my fabulous loyal subscribers that have been here since day one. Thank you so much, and I love you all. So here, I'm just adding this little greenery into this little dairy pitcher here. I'm also going to be adding some more greenery to this particular shelf. And as you can see here, I am adding my miniature rolling pins, and I'm just inserting them on each side of this shelf. The Santa that is in the center here, that is adorably holding some hot chocolate and a little gingerbread cookie, is actually a cookie jar. So guys, that's a tip for you. You don't have to use traditional items to decorate with. You can get very creative with your cookie jars and also with some of your salt and pepper shakers. So now I am going to decorate this final portion of this hutch, starting off by adding my sign, and I am going to also add some more greenery. The garland that I'm going to be adding to the base of this sign is actually from an old piece of garland that I had, and I just clipped a portion of it and added it to the hutch. Next, I'm going to add some red holly berries and some pine cones. I'm going to add 2 Santa mugs to each side, and then we're going to move down to the base of this hutch. So here I am just stuffing a simple basket with some furniture throws and pillows. In the reveal, you will see that I removed this star pillow.
The first Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel.
Okay, you guys, this concludes my video for today, and I enjoyed spending this time with you. I hope that the ideas that I shared, that it motivates you in your own home decorating. You can take these concepts and apply them for regular decor or seasonal decor. So until the next video, happy decorating and Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.